Hi friends, today I am showing you the QCY T7 earbuds. It's a Bluetooth earbuds and you can see all the specification on the back of this case. So this Bluetooth headphone is actually USB-C charger port. So let me open this box and show you all the details. So the packing is nice and you can see that there is a case with a Bluetooth headset and a charging cable and a manual. Manual is in English, so it's pretty good that you can understand easily. It have all the specifications. The charging cable, as I mentioned, is a USB-C cable, and so this is a universal cable that you can use. It can be easily charged through the battery, external battery or any other USB port, and you can see this USB-C port here. And let me just show you how to charge this case so that you know how it can be charged. So I will just take out this protecting covering on the top. It's a nice beautiful case. So here I put the USB-C cable in the case and putting this USB in the external battery, so you can see the charging. The good thing is the earbuds as well as this case both will charge to give you double time for your headphones. So you can see the red lid, so my case still need to be charged, but I will show you first and then put it on the charge. So when you open this case, you can see the green light. That means that your case is open and ready. Once you take out this earbuds, and this is the touch sensitive earbuds, and you can see the make and the shape looks like very comfortable, very much comparable to recent earbuds that is coming in the market. And you can see one is for the left ear and the one is for the right. I simply mark the case itself at the charging port, and so this both can be charged. You can also press this button touch to interact with your Siri or Google Now or any Cortana. This looks like comfortable, and you can see a light blinking, the blue light, that is like it is ready to pair. It's easy to pair, and I will show you the pairing as well. This is touch sensitive, and once it's connected, you can see here QCY T7 is appearing on my Bluetooth, and you can just connect and it's done. Nice quality, good sound quality. I wear it and it's very comfortable. It's a waterproof design, and all the settings touch sensitive. It's pretty good. So when I put it in my ear, it's really comfortable. And this is a 30mm moving coil driver that's inside it, and you can also have an exclusive app for it. The barcode is on the top or in the manual. It's pretty comfortable, good size, and easy to wear, double battery size, waterproof, USB-C charging. It's a nice earbuds.